Okay, I tao ho atong topic katina divert sumai depan he. And I'm sure here I will not be going specific. Science law, mikang arts law, mikang commerce law, mikang tuna specific suna tani tong ram he kumeki. I will be speaking some of the neutral career. Arts law mine, science law mine, commerce law mine. Haipang runa kathom runa career chu sunu mitong careers pang I solo pune de. Anyone who linguistic potential ni nai, mass communication tong journalism tong ko mai taniye tutia like apo a neutral career pang he. If you want to take a journalism course, if you want to take photography, if you want to be in the film editing or advertising, public relation, hepanga arts rene, science rene, commerce rene, lonu mitong career line pang hida. Kumna nak nang neo class 12 loy megan kao from all these three disciplines of arts, science, and commerce. Like you can take BA honors in journalism, and or if not, you can Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Hai pang hai neutral career means any of the students from any stream you can take this as a career. I'm just giving just a basic information. Or anyone who wants to become a lawyer. Lawyers suni minaye to put in it like lawyers I saw come to come. It's not about you go to the court and you fight, you talk, you debate. Lawyers suni mani. You can study in a civil law or tax, criminal law, and human rights, corporate law, energy and environment. Law hai pa ina nang samni ni mitong feel hai te ba ina nai de pane de me khawa te bui tiak suna samni so te after your class 12 there is 5 years integrated course and nai there 5 years integrated course nai kum lana BA LLB BSc LLB ramage BCom LLB na gai hai kum lana even just recently is a very new LLB which we call it BTech LLB. Even at tech, this one at engineers can study in the law and some nuk moi hai. Mitong BTech heni BTech. All the other lawyer it take 5 years, but BTech LLB will take 6 years. Clear? Kuma design tungko ne samni ni mi pangkang fashion design, jewelry design, craft design, interior design, graphic design, and BA fine arts. Nang tuang class 12 loy megan kao nang BA like BA, BSc, BCom, ramote BTech. Kuman sam mga you can take nang artistic so may pang like special potential or dominance so may pang ta. You can study BA fine arts. Ne. And hotel management again. Haipanga, it's a very good career. Ani itong previous speaker, ani itong previous resource person resoka may pangkota. Ani itong local base ka practical sunuk may itong career pang hai tao sulaw may pangani. The boy board ka hotel management to konsam niye tutia you'll be studying in hotel and restaurant management to konsam pune club management, cruise ship and hotel management, hotel and tourism association. Guest house ko tantang institutional management say like you will be supervising the canteen in the school, colleges, factories, companies, guest house, and even self-employed. Tourism gani ha pa ina is kumsoni na ani itong local base ka. If any of the students are serious about it, nang niyon some megan ko ani ko pa ina scope na mi pangay to we pangay da. Ani itong local base ka. Anyone who is willing or interested to join Indian Armed Force, like now just recently NDA is open for all the girls. Are you all aware of that? NDA ni antu mi pangkang ni open sute kuma first batch ay kanitong training ho pasa ok sumagay kuma tiki first batch ma training ta kaibamte tu mi pangrene. If anyone wish to be an army officer or navy officer or air force officer ni NDA, right after your class 12, you can write NDA exam. Or if not, nang class 12 ko ta miss to head loko na kumda tang mitang nang graduate hay luway da mitang ta nang armed force ko interest na tuti nang CDS Combined Defense Service hay nang prepared student uthe tho the uthe kumla na Combined Defense Service, and FCAT to many Miami Air Force pang rinak BA graduate loy mi pang rinani. We have this kind of wrong information that to become an Air Force officer, you need to take on science. NDA ko if you are entry through NDA ko entries way to you need to take physics, chemistry, and maths to become an Army Air Force officer and Navy officer. Science kang arts tung students pang you can be an Army officer but not an Indian Air Force officer, not an Navy officer ni. Kumete ke ho ng graduation ka, if you come out with a good percentage, komkanete te ho FCAT to nanae Air Force Common Admission Test. Arts students pang rinane mitong exam ay toda na you can be an Air Force officer for taking arts as a subject also. Ne. Kumla na Territorial Army tong sector ka kumla na tud ane tong None district ko NCC hai school pang offer suni college pang offer suni I don't have much idea but kumake nang ni tong further study ka nang ni takay dani mi kan ka any of the student who is willing to join armed force NCC school rina college rina tiba me to please make sure that you join that NCC and NCC join sila na nang C certificate had pangkane to you don't need to write an entrance test. You can directly go for the SSB interview. Ni interview SSB kang tanong he. That means interview. Till you reach your age limit, you are okay. You are free to join that SSB interview. That means entrance test maksane nang interview join sila na. Interview ko tanang NCC C certificate na kane you can be an army officer or you can be it will be an officer entry. Kumkane titia Central Armed Force, I think I don't need to go much details here. Or anyone who is interested to write UPSC exam, or anyone who is interested to write banking, or any one of you looking for the SSE exam, it's all this career which you can arts law mine, science law mine, commerce law mi pang rinane, sunuk mi pang mitong career pang he. But then we have this kind of concept ki science will give you a good career and arts will give you a low career. Kumani mi is a very wrong concept which I have mentioned from the beginning that it is not about good or bad, but it is your excellency in whatever you are doing. Getting my point? Okay. I think that's it for my presentation, and now we will take question and answer. I will take some of your question.